the 4 key remedies of astrology that are being prescribed by our traditional astrologers and pundits. Number 1, fasting. Now fasting has nothing to do with astrology, because if you understand the science behind astrology, the planet doesn't care whether you eat or not, or what food you eat versus not. The planet will not disappear from your birth chart. The planet will not leave its gravitational force. So regardless of what you're eating or not is not going to solve your problem. All you're doing by fasting is that you're cleaning your system. It's good for your health, and you're focusing your mind away from your problems. You are having a psychological effect. From a philosophical standpoint, it's helping you, but it's not helping you from an astrological standpoint. Remedy number 2, mantras and pujas. A client of mine was told by a very famous astrologer in India to do a certain kind of a puja for his condition in astrology. He had what you call a Guru Chandal dosh. Guru is Jupiter, Chandal is Rahu. So whenever Jupiter is with Rahu in any of the houses, it's called a Guru Chandal dosh. And once the puja is done, he was told that his problems will go away, or to make the effects lesser. Now we all know Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. It's the largest. Just by doing a puja, how do you expect that planet to combust? No matter what kind of puja you do, Jupiter will not vanish from the birth chart, will not vanish from the solar system. And do you think that after the puja, if you do the analysis again, if you pull up that person's birth chart, Jupiter and Rahu will not be together anymore? They will still be there. And more importantly, pujas and mantras have nothing to do with astrology. By reciting the mantra over and over, you are doing a self-hypnosis. You are having a psychological effect. From a philosophical standpoint, it's helping you, but it's not helping you from an astrological standpoint, because the whole problem was, again coming back to the example of Guru Chandal dosh, Jupiter and Rahu are placed in the same house, or they are respecting each other in your birth chart. Doing a puja will not shift Jupiter, will not take Rahu out, they will still be there. However, our so-called astrologers and Gurujis and Pandits have made this a money minting business where they want you to do this puja and fill their pockets with money. Remedy number 3, donation. Before we talk about donation, let's remind ourselves of the 2 universal laws. One is the law of thermodynamics. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to the other. Second law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Law of Newton. The only way donation will help you from the laws of karma perspective is when you feel that you are helping someone in need, and the person who is being helped gets the same emotions inside him or her. That donation will help you from the law of nature perspective. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, and energy cannot be created or destroyed. It only gets transformed from one form to the other. You generated that energy, those emotions inside you, and you gave it to someone, and that person also got emotional and felt helped with your donation. That energy will come back to you. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Remedy number 4, stones. Before we understand the remedy behind stones, we should understand what stones really are. These stones that are prescribed for astrological remedies are naturally occurring objects. And each stone that is prescribed for its planet has the property to attract light from that planet. For example, pearl or moti attracts light from the moon. Hence, for moon they prescribe moti. Moonga or coral attracts light from Mars. Hence, for Mars related issues they prescribe moonga. Now these stones have the property to attract light and shield you with an aura to enhance the positive energy if that planet is good for you. तो अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई भी वहम है stones के बारे में, please उसको निकाल दीजिए. There is nothing mysterious, suspense or superstitious about the stones. It's just a scientific fact. Just like the north pole of the magnet would attract the south pole of a different magnet, and it would repel the north pole of another magnet. Stones have gravitational power, they have power of the light, and they attract the light and power of the planet for which the stones are prescribed.